very good afternoon to our RANsquawk listeners. So it has been pretty quiet in terms of news flow today. However, we've had a lot of US data. So we saw the GDP reading come in lower than they expected, 2%, came in at 1.8%. We did, however, see the University of Michigan consumer confidence beat forecast to come in at 69.9. And we also saw the initial jobless claims come in better than expected, coming in lower than the forecast reading. However, we saw the house price index, that came in worse than the forecast. So a bit of mixed data in terms of the US there. Not too much reaction on the actual headlines themselves. We have seen a gradual grind higher. In terms of other data as well, we saw the EIA natural gas storage change. So that showed a drawdown of a billion cubic feet. So we saw a bit of a move lower in terms of the natural gas price. In terms of news flow out of Europe, we saw Italian Senate, they approved the confidence vote, so they voted yes. Again, not too much movement on the back of this. This was largely as expected and has already passed in the lower house. Now, looking ahead to the rest of the session, it looks like it's going to continue to be fairly quiet. There's not much left on the calendar. However, we'll look out for any comments out of Europe, especially after all the recent goings-on over the last few weeks. But for the time being, that is enough from me. We'll have another update for you after the US close, but have yourself a great afternoon.